Today, I'm going to discuss legal fees. Hello, and thank you for tuning in to the eighth of my video series entitled You're Indicted and Facing Prison. Now what? My name is Mark Gladstein, and in 2006, I too was indicted and pled guilty to a felony and lost my medical license. Several years later, in 2010, I was able to get my medical license reinstated in full. But to call what all of you and what I've gone through a surreal experience is really an underestimate. My goal in this series is to provide you with the crucial information you'll need to navigate these times. I'm going to try and provide you with a new topic every day that can move you forward with both knowledge and preparation, because together these will build your confidence that you'll need to get the best possible outcome. Since you're already aware that the Department of Justice and the feds have been asking questions, their case against you is mostly complete. And with their 98% conviction rate, the odds are high that you may have to spend some time in prison. Knowledge is power, and my goal is to now put this into your hands. Delaying to take the next step is at your peril. The consequences of inaction can be severe. Equally important is hiring a legal team that just doesn't have excellent experience, but has a proven track record of successfully defending cases like yours. Your future is at stake, and it's crucial to make the right choices now. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call and consider engaging my services at 240-888-7778, as this is your future and your life. Cost should not be your only guide, although we can all agree that is a major guide and it's a big factor. But there are federal defenders, there are CJA panel attorneys that work with alongside federal defenders, and there's private counsel. So if you are picking a federal defender who knows his or her way around their own district court and sentencing guidelines, the judge in your case, and they have experience in federal cases like yours, this may make them equal, if not better, than some private counsel. But the only way you're going to know is by asking questions. Because, and I have a video that it has about 14, 15 questions later on in the series, but a formal federal prosecutor may be a great prosecutor, but may not turn out to be a great white-collar criminal defense attorney. A criminal defense attorney who has experience in both federal and state courts, that's okay, but the processes or the nuances of a federal court are much different than a state court. And these are the rules rather that the attorney must be familiar with. But you'll only be comfortable in deciding who's going to be a best fit for you by asking questions. And it may be beneficial to bring someone else with you, because that should help you in the decision-making process. If you've already reached this point and you don't have the time to wait for my future videos, please give me a call and we can discuss your situation one-on-one. Once again, my number is 240-888-7778. So in addition to asking questions, one area is going to be, you should have a contract that spells out your specific financial responsibilities, what you have to do, what the attorney's going to do, that you'll receive copies of court filings before they're filed. You'll have a time to review plea agreements before they become official, and you'll have an ability to review discovery. Last, or second to last, is that you'd like to be copied, if it's possible, on all documents at least once a month. And then you want to know and ask if there's the ability to have a payment plan. It's only after answering these questions you can feel familiar and comfortable with your chosen defense team. To engage my services or to have your concerns answered, call me today at 240-888-7778. That is my personal cell phone, and I answer and return all of my calls. You can also get additional information on my website at PPRSUS.com. P as in Paul, P as in Paul, R as in Robert, S as in Sam, US.com. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a good day.